Hello all, welcome to this video on two-port network. In this video, I'll be giving an introduction on two-port network. So first, let's see what a port is. Port means a pair of terminals through which current may enter or leave the network. So coming to one-port network, that means there will be one pair of terminals or two terminals. And examples of one-port network are two terminal devices like R, L and C. And another definition for port is that pair of terminals which connect the electrical circuit or network to the external circuit and satisfies the port condition. And the port condition is that current entering from one terminal must leave from the other terminal, so that the net current entering the port should also be equal to 0. This condition must also be satisfied. Now next, let's move on to two-port networks. Two-port network means there will be two pair of terminals or four terminals, and the input will be fed at a pair of terminals and the output is obtained from another pair of terminals. Examples are transmission line, transformer, amplifier, filter network, etc. This rectangular box represents the two-port networks. This box may contain energy storing elements like inductance and capacitance, but the initial condition must be 0. It may also contain dependent sources, but we assume that it does not contain any independent source. And this two-port network reduces the complexity of the electrical circuit. Using two-port network, we can isolate a portion of the larger network, and the property of the network is specified by some parameters. That is, we are having four variables over here. They are V1, I1, V2 and I2, and out of these four variables, two variables will be independent and two variables will be dependent. And based on the dependent and independent variables, there are 6 sets of parameters for a two-port network. And when an input signal is applied to the two-port network, the response of the network can be easily found by using this network parameters. So we can analyze the complex circuits easily, and we don't have to consider the internal voltages and currents of this network. So the 6 sets of parameters that describe the behavior of the two-port network are impedance and admittance parameters, hybrid and inverse hybrid parameters, transmission and inverse transmission parameters. So based on the dependent and independent variables, the 6 sets of parameters are shown. And we have to study about impedance and admittance parameters, hybrid parameters and transmission parameters. And we'll see each one of these in the coming videos. Thank you.